it's me, Vyshnav Davanagere, and recently many people were suggesting that I take a look into using Arduino. So basically, Arduino is an open source platform where people can learn how to program and integrate their ideas into actual real life usage. So today I have with me the official Arduino Starter Kit, and let's unbox the starter kit and take a look into what exactly comes inside this and the main components. So this is the box that the official Arduino Starter Kit comes in, and as you can see it says Arduino Starter Kit over here, and the skill level is for beginners. So if you're a beginner interested in taking up programming, then this will be a good set for you. On the back it just has a list of the projects that the instruction booklet comes with, and that's pretty much it. So let's open it up and see what we've got on the inside. Okay, so as soon as you open, there's nothing, there's some wording over here, and it just has a project booklet. So it says Arduino projects book, and this has schematic diagrams for the circuits, and it also has the instructions for programming. So that's one of the main things. This is one of the good reasons to buy the Arduino official starter kit, because the book has very labeled diagrams. And yeah, let's check into what else we've got there. So it says we've got a tiny little booklet here which says My Arduino on the front, and it says thank you for supporting Arduino, and there's a heart with circuit wires. That's pretty much it, and there's also a code to log on to their website, and this just comes off. Let's put that aside. And here we have the components which come in the starter kit itself. So one of them is the liquid crystal display, so the LCD display basically, DC motor and a servo motor, so that's going to be helpful while making some miniature models and circuits. And other than that, there is also the breadboard and the jumper wires, with the male-to-male and the female-to-male jumper wires. This is the USB cable to connect the Arduino microcontroller to the laptop or the system, whichever you're going to be using. And this is the Arduino Uno itself. So it says open source electronics prototyping platform. So this is basically the main, the brain of your computer. I mean, the brain of your models itself. So Arduino Uno. Okay, and the last thing is it has electronic components. So we'll check into what else is included inside of that. So that's pretty much it. And there's also some plastic things to cut out and use for making your projects. There's like a fan too, so if you're into that. And there's also, yeah, there's a lot of paper cutouts that you can use while making the projects that are given in the book. And yeah, that's pretty much it, what comes inside the box. And now let's check into each of the component boxes. So there's basically 6 boxes in which the components come in. So first of all, let's take a look at the main brain or the microcontroller that comes in it. So this is called the Arduino Uno, and this is basically the main thing for the set. So let's open it up. So there's just some tape there, and that's pretty much it. It just comes out. So this is basically it, and as you can see, there's a lot of connection points, and this is used to connect the USB cable directly into the laptop, and that is for downloading things. I mean, that's for the charging, I'm sorry. And it says Arduino Uno right here, and that's pretty much it. on the back it says Arduino Uno 2. Okay, next up, let's take a look at the DC motor and the servo motor. As soon as you open up, there's just some gears right there. That's it. And this is the servo motor. Okay, that's it. And there's also a DC motor. So these are going to be useful for making some of those movable models. That's it. And next, let's take a look at the LCD crystal display. Okay, this is a bit longer than I expected, so you can make programs to output some reading over here, some text, or suppose you're testing a command, then you can test if it's true or false. And there's also some foam so that the wires don't get damaged, but yeah, you gotta take that out, and that's pretty much it. It's a 2x7-inch LCD display. Then there's the breadboard wires and the breadboard itself. Okay, so the breadboard is kind of tiny, so if you're gonna be making your own projects, then I do suggest you buy one of those bigger breadboards. And let's open it up. This has the wires and the breadboard and some other tiny cables over here. That's it. And this is the main box itself. It has all the electronic components, so let's check it out. Oh, it just slides out, and there's a lot of things for making projects, and you can learn a lot while using these things. So there's also an ultrasonic sensor, some LEDs, and some capacitors, resistors, and also the tuner, which can help you to adjust the amount of current. And so if you're going to be learning programming, then I suggest that you first start with the basics and then go into this. And then last but not least is just the USB cable. So this is just going to be useful for connecting the Arduino microcontroller to your laptop. So basically this part connects to this, and then this connects to the laptop itself. So that's pretty much what comes in the kit. So let me just give you a last final view of everything that comes in the kit. So the DC motor, the servo motor, the breadboard, that's one of your main things, and the wires. There's a assortment of different sizes of wires, so that's going to be helpful. The main electronic components and the LCD display. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and as you can see, Awesome Robotics and Tech has reached 500 subscribers, so that's all thanks to you guys. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell for notifications and daily updates. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.